So firstly, I'd like to say that నాకు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది ఎక్కడ వచ్చినందుకు విజయవాడలో. I have been here many times before and I'm very happy to be here again. And of course, మన అందరికీ తెలుసు Neeru is such a big brand and everyone is aware of it. They have the most amazing collections. They've got a lot of variety in ethnic clothes. And I'm really happy to be here launching their flagship store in Andhra Pradesh. Yes. And a very big congratulations to the Neeru's family. This is their flagship family store. And I'm really happy to be here. I'm very happy to associate.
And first time in Vijayawada because we are not just targeting the Vijayawada customers, we are actually looking at all the neighborhood of Vijayawada from Elluru, Tenali, Guntur, Vijayawada, the natives of here and all the people near about in the near radius of Vijayawada. So this is one store where you have from a casual wear to a wedding wear, from a silk sari to a lehenga. So this is the one-stop wedding destination for all the people in almost 200 kilometers in Andhra Pradesh. And we wanted to choose Vijayawada because it is very close to the heart. The capital lives here. And today the grand launch, and we saw the whole big launch with Kajal's great appearance here and her charismatic appearance here in Vijayawada. So we hope for good response from here. And as though we were already there in Vijayawada, so this is a family store. So from girls, boys, jewelry, accessories, men's, ladies, old women, everyone. So because fashion is equal to Neeru's. Neeru's is just not a retailer, it's a fashion retailer. So being a brand today, we want to make Vijayawada totally fashionable. As you can see the interiors of the store also. So interior also boasts of that, and especially the handloom machine that we have inside the store, the live handloom that is happening. So tomorrow we will also take orders of customer who actually want to see their sari being made live. So every day she can come and she can see how the progress of her sari. She can tell the color, she can tell whichever way, the silk sari that she chooses, and it will be delivered in 10 to 15 days. So that's what Neeru's is all about, giving fashion at a reasonable price. So that's it. And we are also coming soon in Guntur. So probably in next 1 month we'll also have a store in Guntur. We are also franchising throughout India and Andhra Pradesh. So very soon we are in Guntur, then Nizamabad, and also we're looking at Tirupati and many more such locations, so that geographically Neeru is available to everywhere in Andhra, Telangana, and then later we are looking at Pan India from Bhubaneswar to Jammu Kashmir to Chennai to all parts of India. And we are already on the plan. We are already up with 20 stores and 20 more stores with the MBO format, and now we are going about 100 stores in next 2 years. So we might associate with Kajal again and again for such a thing. And a good mix of Andhra, Hyderabad, Telangana, Telugu, Kajal, Tollywood, so and fashion. Everything comes in one line. So Neeru's will always be fashionable. That's
Super. So on this good note, I'd like to say a very big congratulations to Neeru's again for such a lovely store, and wishing them all the best for all their dreams. I hope they all come true. And I would like to say a very big thank you to all the crowd and the audience in Vijayawada. Thank you so much for so much love and support and all the appreciation always. And I love you guys. Thank you.